Yes, hi. So today I'm out here cleaning some leaves because it's a nice 50 degrees, and I also want to talk about my new leaf blower that I got over there. So let's go clean some leaves in this backyard. Let me put this thing on my neck. Some new equipment that I got to free up my hands. Yes, yeah, I got this neck thing. All right. I know I did talk about my gas leaf blower, but I went and got it's still in the garage, but I went and got myself a used gas blower. And for the last 3 hours I was packing the leaves in the bags. These bags right here. So I got one last bag to do, and I think the bag is over here. Got my hands dirty, soil and everything on it, but that's how I like it. Let me make this straight. All right. So that's right at the back of my garage there. In the summertime, it gets really bushy out here. Nice place to hang out. Plus, you're underneath a big tree, tall ash tree. All the way up here, it's a bunch of leaves. All right, so let's put this in the bag. This is my last bag. That's on the tail end of my cleaning my leaves, just like that. I should be using some gloves, but what the hell. Yeah, that about wraps it up over here. Get my rake. I don't mind doing my own yard work. I'm assuming later on, once I get older, I can just hire someone to do this. Believe it or not, at one time in my life, I used to own like a rental property. It wasn't as big as this, but I would have had like two yards to clean up. But now I only have one. And thank God I got out of the real estate industry, because that's another story for another day. So there's still more to clean. I'll just pass by later on and use some garbage bags and clean this shit up. That's one thing about home ownership that a lot of people don't realize. You gotta do a lot of yard work, and that's if you're capable of doing the yard work. So this is my new used leaf blower. I got it from my brother, so I'm just gonna use it. Let me start it off. time just like that. I don't mind. I really don't mind doing my own work because for me it's therapeutic. And as I said, I don't know if I said that before, but my backyard is like my little relaxation spot. Been here for 20 years. I love being in the inner city, but at the same time, when I come out here and listen to some music, what the hell is this? Oh, yeah, so that about wraps it up for my leaf cleaning. My leaf cleaning today. Yeah, I don't mind doing my own housework. Just gotta find the time to do it. Like today is Saturday. I gotta find my time to do the housework. I mean, I did a lot today. There's still some more leaves up here. Which we're gonna take care of right now. And then, I mean, the sun is setting over there, so we gotta go back inside. As I was saying, I used to own a rental property, and I got out. I sold it. I really didn't make any money off of it, and that will be another story for another day. But home ownership is I learned a lot from just owning homes out here in America. There's one thing I know about, it's owning and renting. I used to rent and own at the same time, so pretty much know all about that. So I did how many bags? I did a lot of bags today. Let me just get this on here. Then we could go and put it by the roadside. The leaves, normally I would just simply put all the leaves on a tarp and pull the tarp next to the street and dump it there, build up a pile. But as I said, one of my videos, I said they had banned the gas blower. So when they banned it, I didn't have any backup, and that was in late fall. And so now it's spring, and they do not pick it up from the side of the road. You gotta bag the leaves, and you gotta call them. So that's why you see me doing this right now. So far, I think I have done maybe close to 20 bags. 20 bags of the leaves. So let's go up there. And I'm using this tyke thing. Could buy a wheelbarrow, but what the hell. Maybe later on. No, do I really think I could be doing this at, let's say, if I get to 70, 80 years old? No. It's a big piece of land, too. It's a huge piece of land. Here's my little trusty Jeep. I'm a Jeep guy. I will talk to you about this rugged Jeep I've owned for the past 20 odd years. So you see how many bags I got so far? I got a whole lot of bags. Whole lot of bags on there. So with that said, let me finish up and get back inside.